Hey everybody, Mike from Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada. Here today driving a 2023 Kia, and we have an issue where the customer has been to various shops, including the dealership, trying to get this issue resolved of pulling to the right while driving between the speeds of 40 and 60. 3 other shops have done alignments. They've come to us. We've done the alignment. The vehicle is in alignment, and the issue remains that the vehicle still consistently pulls to the right. Looking on the research on various threads out there, this is not uncommon apparently for these models. So if you're watching this video, you're probably the same as us, kind of stumped. So yesterday we did a steering angle reset, as well as correcting or resetting the, what was it, Claire?
Steering field torque to
Steering
zero.
Field torque to zero with our snap-on scanner or the Autel scanner?
Autel.
The Autel scanner. So there is improvement by doing that. We have noticed a definite improvement, but the I wouldn't say it's perfect. It has improved. So this is a known issue with our friends apparently at Kia. Resetting that steering feel. The steering is much tighter on this vehicle, so that may be something to start with. But this vehicle is still obviously within warranty, and we're going to recommend that the customer, if he is not satisfied with what we have completed here, that he return to the dealer for warranty. This particular vehicle was involved in an accident on the front passenger, and apparently ever since has been having this issue, and the insurance company has been working with our client to try to get it resolved, and came to us to try to resolve it because, again, we're shop number 4. This is what we found, and hopefully the shops that are watching this have some idea now of where they can look towards to try to resolve this issue for vehicles that haven't been involved in an accident and are just doing it because there's a few out there that show, I think one threads had the customer had picked up the vehicle from the dealer with 900 kilometers on it, and it was doing it right as soon as he got the vehicle. So we tried this. Maybe you can try it, see how it is, resetting the steering angle sensor, and go from there. Urban Automotive, safety first. Thanks for watching.